You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer. Yo! You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving here with another reaction. Hey, guys, today we had Brakka Vely. Yeah, man. Brakka Vely with Ghetto Wolf. Bumbuckler. Brakka Vely, Ghetto Wolf. Big up on yourself, man. G. Ghetto Wolf, then big up on yourself. We're going to jump in the one and hear what the G is saying, man. Let's go. Before we do that, big up Amir Records. Big up yourself, man, G. Big up Amir Records. Yeah, man, G. Yeah, man. I hear production. Big up yourself. Let's go. Romaro. Rockford. A lie. No boy.
Yeah, when them group up, easy to shoot up. Not so much, but it is ugly than my two cocks. The things soon up, rock spell and move up. They must see the artists get roll up. Get left them bone rock, we kill you without purpose. We circle lemons and
Hold on there. Straight away me notice this. Why is the video only the highest quality is 480p? Why not 780 or 1080? At least 780. 720. 740? 720. Well, why not 740 at least? Or 720p? Why not? That are my first. So is this an old video we shot long time on a camera whenever good? Or what? Or upload bad or what? What one? I could start it anyway. Let's go. Bad. Rockford.
yeah, them no one dead and sorrow. Krampus.
Video bad though.
To the campus. Yeah, when them group up, easy to shoot up. Not so much, but it is ugly than my two cocks. The things soon up, rock spell and move up. They must see the artists get roll up. Get left them bone rock, we kill you without purpose. We circle them ends and go flick them like World Cup with 3 fucking turbo full.
Yo, me circle them ends and go flick them like World Cup ball game. But when them say flick like World Cup on a ball game, it mean a gunshot, it mean. Flick them back, man. But then flick out, flick off, flick away. Where you go? I say with 3 fucking terrible. Where two I go? With 3 fucking terrible around here, man. Brakka, pick up yourself, G. I'm here. Tomorrow.
Them no one dead and sorrow. No boy.
No pussy, none.
Yeah, when them group up, easy to
shoot up.
Not so much, but it is ugly than my two cocks. The things soon up, rock spell and move up. They must see the artists get roll up. Get left them bone rock, we kill you without purpose. We circle lemons and go flick them like World Cup with 3 fucking turbo full. It's sick with dirt, yeah, we drop on my side, we fuck with charters. We dream bad. We dream bad.
We're not too bad enough, we're 3 bad, hear that? Yo, what hurt me the most, dog? For see my friend turn ghost, for see my friend dead, for see my friend mother cry, for see my friend youth them not I miss him. Like them thing that hurt me the most, dog. Big up. The G them and know say yo them I rep with them friends. See me, lines.
Most, I see my G turn ghost, your friend turn enemy, not think me a joke. Me say rum make man get lost in a hole. You with dead pines, don't feel see a cool.
Yeah man, rum make man get lost in a hole, man. Don't junk and straight pussy. Know what you doing a yacht. No, especially when Wara go and know what you do yacht.
Mr. Rum make man get lost in a hole. You with dead pines, don't feel see a cool. Go for them, not even need support. Plant on the doctor say pronounce. Why?
Yeah man, go for them, brother. I need no support. Me alone band, me alone can do this. I need no support. Plant can in a dirty boy to mock. Plant can in a dirty boy to mock. That's how the G promote.
Go for them, not even need support. Plant on the doctor say pronounce. While my dog, me have no bone. Ready for them and a smoke alone jump out. Them head fuck them gallants rich. Steady with this scope and me lucky target. She got ever happy pick up in sadness. White line, yellow
Yo, trigger ever happy figure bring sadness. The trigger ever happy figure bring sadness. Bars. Effective bars. Effective. Simple but effective. Listen to what I'm saying. Yeah. Where do I go? No. I'm cool. Fuck yourself and safe in the net. Mount a gun now, confident. I'm still a chat to my dead friend. My brains got bumble up, busted. Oh, man. Oh, them. I check a press. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Man. You only have flat. Enemy of blood clot. It's gone. Body lock. Jam is body, game and pants. I want that. Pull it up. Head up, man. Busting off. Lord Clad. Badness. Grimy. Rockford.
Fucking hell.
Oh, that. Hey!
I don't even know what the fucking sickest one. Pull it off out and done so.
Original.
Senseless. Yeah, I'm here. Darkness. Fourth side.
Bumbuckler. Hilltop. Oliver Road. Norman Garden. Bumbuckler. Winard Road. You know I go, man. Bumbuckler. Badness. Know that. America's, big up yourself. America's, big up your fucking self, Big G. Brakka Vely. Yes. I like the video. And the song. My only fault is why is the quality of the video so low. That is my only fault. Let me see something before I address it. 7 months ago. So yeah, why is it so low? Why is the quality so low? I don't understand. Street cinema, big up yourself. I don't understand why is the quality of the video is so low. Produced by JAMAICA'S, director Romare Records. Film and edit. Yes. You want me to talk now. Street cinema. Why is the quality so low? Why? What you do to make the quality so low? The quality should have been a lot. You know? Yeah, because you don't know, say, 2024 now. It showed 2024, now 2025. That is my only critique about it. Negative critique. What you guys think about this though? What you guys think about it? Psycho, man. Psycho. Bad. The G are cheap. Brakka Vely, big up yourself. You're cheap and you're chop, me G. Yeah. Bumbuckler. Trigger. Always happy figure make something sad. You know what I think of, man? Bumbuckler. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. It's gonna be pinned in the comment section at the top. So when you can go over there, go give him a follow and tell him say you're a JAMAICA'S gamer. Send him no. Please help me support the young artists, man. Please, man. Them are the next future, man. You see me? So yes, big up on yourself. And I'll catch you guys. Yes, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. The sickest one. Big up yourself.
You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying spam them and do what? Def them.